The basic functionality is to compare two selections by touching A or B. You can touch anywhere on the shaded side to switch. Touch a speaker to select it, or touch and hold a speaker to add it to the current selection. Touch the clear button to remove a speaker, and then you can touch and hold a speaker to add it. Touch A and B to compare at any time. If I like a speaker, I can touch the thumb. It shows on both sides. The Start Over button at the top will remove all selections and likes.